In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block a channel from your YouTube recommended feed. So first open up your browser and head over to youtube.com, and from here log in with your YouTube account. Now from your dashboard, find a video from the channel you would like to remove. Then next is hover your mouse and click on this three dot icon inside the window of their video, and from the menu, select Don't Recommend Channel. Make sure that you do not pick Not Interested, for this setting will only hide this video for you, but with this option, this channel will not be recommended for you anymore. And YouTube will immediately stop suggesting videos from that specific channel in your recommended feed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.